The next adjustment we're talking about is called levels. This is definitely one of the most useful ones, one that I use all the time personally. So here, example of it, we have a very washed out looking photo and put this levels adjustment onto it. Now if we look at the properties, without this adjustment layer, you can see this is called a histogram, this graph here. And on the left hand side here, this slider that looks pretty dark, this is indicating the pixel information in the photo that's like the shadows. And right now, there's no very dark pixel information all the way from this side all the way to here. So if we compress this, you can see that right away it controls what's going to be counted as the darkest values now begin here. And then we have our midtones and our highlights here too. So if I wanted to adjust the midtones, make them lighter or make them darker, I would slide it, one way or the other. And so this is going to be, super useful, control how bright things are. And I probably don't need to adjust the brights a whole lot on this one, but I would certainly want to think about adjusting midtones and shadows to make this look a lot less washed out and much more like a, well photographed image. Another example, here we have same type of thing, a very, kind of washed out looking photo, hazy, and then not a dramatic change here, but was able to get in and if we click on the histogram here, see what it would have looked like before versus after. So before, basically not a lot of dark information in this image overall. And you can get too dark with it, obviously, but here you can see, if I slide this around a little bit, I can start to control even a pretty badly photographed, image.